In this video, we will compare two popular ice makers, the Silonn Nugget ice maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop ice maker. We'll explore their features, pricing, and performance to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. The Silonn Nugget ice maker is priced at $249, making it a more premium option compared to the Sweetcrispy Countertop ice maker, which is available for just $69. This significant price difference may influence your decision based on your budget and needs. When it comes to ice production, the Silonn Nugget ice maker can produce up to 33 pounds of soft, chewable ice in 24 hours, while the Sweetcrispy model can produce 26.5 pounds in the same time frame. If you need a higher output for gatherings or parties, the Silonn may be the better choice. The Silonn Nugget ice maker boasts a one-click operation and a self-cleaning feature, making it very convenient for users. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy Countertop ice maker can produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, which is perfect for quick refreshment needs. Each has unique features that cater to different user preferences. In conclusion, both the Silonn Nugget ice maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop ice maker have their strengths. The Silonn offers a higher ice production capacity and self-cleaning features, while the Sweetcrispy is more budget-friendly and quick to produce ice. Consider your needs and preferences before making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.